Hey everyone, it's Sabrina. Welcome back. I am so excited for this project to come back, and I hope these look familiar. Positivity Passport is coming back, and it is coming in a little bit. It will start in August for Everyday Explorers, and I am so excited. Like I said, I absolutely love this project. I did it June and July, and I'm so glad that I did. I almost wish that I had done in August, that way I had a whole summer of Positivity Passport, but I didn't, and that's okay. But I realized that I never finished sharing the process videos or the flip throughs. So I am gonna go ahead and do a flip through, and I will also share the process videos to finish up July, because I really want you guys to see them, and hopefully it'll inspire you as you put together your own Positivity Passport. All right, so let's do June first. So with the cover, I did kind of what my focus was. My focus was, besides using all the Everyday Explorer stamp sets, was washi. I decided to use up some of my washi stash and kind of use that to layer in my album. And I just opened with the sticker, Positivity Passport, and My Story Matters. And then I just layered in all the washi. I love it. I did a silly photo of my kids on the first day. And then I did a favorite restaurant. And then I didn't put anything like I feel, so I just covered that with washi. And then this one I used some more stickers, and once again layered in the washi. I tried to make sure that they coordinate. And then another list of what was going on, and I used the prompt stamp sets. There's a lot of them right now. I'm gonna leave a link to the prompts that I love to use. Okay, so I pulled out the two prompt stamps that I used a lot last summer, so much, you can tell. So the first one is 100% Me. You can see how much this is well loved, and I used these as my jumping off point for a lot of my journaling, and I love it. It makes it so easy to fill out for the day, and kind of jumpstart your thinking for what you want to document for that particular day. So this is 100% Me. And then you also have 29 prompts. This is a well-loved stamp set. And then since, it's been a year, there has been several more stamp sets that have come out that will help you this year. So you have All in a Day, which has great prompts like TV and Chill, Start the Day Off Right, Breakfast of Champions, Playtime. So lots of different stamps that you could just use for your journaling, which is how I accomplish this project and make it quick. You also have My Places prompts, which is great because it's summer, right? And then you have the Crafty Life stamp prompts. And you also have now the mealtime prompts. So see, there is so many prompt sets now. That is 6 different stamp sets, and so the possibilities are endless. Okay, let me get back to the flip through. And then this one, and see, this is where I took 3 different prompts and then tried to go off my journaling from there. I did notice one of my inks, I don't know which one it is, I need to investigate a little bit, is doing some weird stuff after a year. So if I figure that ink out, I am going to tell you guys about it and then probably get rid of that ink. So that is that page, and I did the silly shirt my kids made for Father's Day, and then a collage that I made for Father's Day, and then another list, and a bike ride, and a walking on the trail, lots of layering of the washi again, and then a day with my husband. And this one I used 2 pages because I knew I was gonna have extra room, because somehow I skipped a few days in June. Not sure how that happened, but it's okay. So I did a double page spread for a bike ride, and I did a bunch of trees. I love adding in all those trees, and I used some stickers again. And then this one, I broke the sticker in half, but I still used it. I was determined to use it. And then more stickers. And I believe the photo size that I went with is 2.5 by 3.5 for these photos. And then getting to see my mom. And as you noticed, I try to coordinate the left and the right, so that way it's one cohesive looking spread. And then some happy mail and another bike ride, and then that is it for June. Okay, so in July, I started watching Felicia Tess's mixed media tutorials. I'll leave a link, and so that is what I decided to focus on for this journal, using my mixed media papers to decorate my pages. And I think something got sprayed on this cover because that is not intentional. Okay, let me open up. You have a yummy treat, a fun day out at the lake. And you can see here I used my mixed media papers. I turned a lot of them into sticker paper, took a photo of my mixed media, and then I was able to turn it into stickers and punched out the shapes. My daughter, or fun night with my daughter, popcorn and a movie and a face mask. And then this one I had two favorite photos, so I just squeezed them in. It's a little messy looking, but that's okay. I did a little list for here, and then this one was the day that I got my dresser, and I was so excited to add that to my area. This one I did lots of greens, and then this one was blue. And whereas in this notebook, I tried to coordinate the pages together. This one, I did not. I changed it up a little bit, and so this side is green and this side is blue, and that's okay with me. Once again, lots of scallop shapes and circle shapes. I even got into butterflies. I did a lot of butterflies. And then my kids in their pool, and then my cactus plant grew some horns, and so I took a picture of that. I love my porch plants. And then a quote that I really loved, so I added that in. Some happy mail, and this is a heart, and it kind of looks a little wonky, but that's okay. And then this one I made myself, so I just added that in there. Hanging out with the cat and enjoying time to myself, being on the river with my kids, and working out, and then a list. And this one I did coordinate, and I carried the stars over to both pages. A bike ride, and then just another list. This is from another bike ride. I loved those flowers. And then folklore. I think all of us were listening to folklore in the summer of 2020, right? So I had to include that. I did some Instagram stories, and I had some amazing responses, so I included a flip out, and then on the river, and then taking a family road trip, so I just made sure that everything coordinated. Once again, used my large heart punch. And then I kind of carried that same color scheme over to here. Another Morgan Harper Nicholas quote, a list, and then finishing out the month with kind of a fun design with the bouncing prompts. And that is my positivity passports for both of these little notebooks. And I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing the walkthroughs and me showing you the different prompt stamp sets, and I hope you guys got some inspiration. I'm so excited to do this project again, and I can't wait to see everyone's creations. I'd love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.